Do you also receive a lot of leads through your Facebook lead ads and you want to nurture them very smoothly? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to automate lead assignment in Zoho CRM and notify sales team via Slack. So I'm running Facebook lead ads for my business, and here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically and instantly I want to create a new contact for the same in my Zoho CRM account. And after creating a contact, I want to inform my sales team about the same on our Slack channel. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ads with my Zoho CRM account and my Slack account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I've created with the name Digital Dynamics, and here I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So here, as you all know, that I want, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead in my Zoho CRM, and after adding that lead in my Zoho CRM, I want to send an alert message to my team on our Slack channel like this with all the lead details. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected all of these applications, and now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now next what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad to see the working of this amazing automation. So to generate the test lead, let me take you to Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta. So this is Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as first name, last name, email address and some other details as well. So now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully submitted a form over here. So let's go and check our Zoho CRM account first. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have instantly created a new contact in our Zoho CRM account with the name dummy user. Here you can see the email address and the phone number. So now let's go and check our Slack account. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message on our Slack channel where we have received all the lead details such as name, email, phone number and the text as please follow promptly and update the lead status in Zoho CRM. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ads with your Zoho CRM account and your Slack account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward, let me tell you that how you can access the Pabbly Connect. So for that you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. So from there you need to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will direct you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner, and then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a Create Workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So we need to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give the name as Automate Lead Assignment in Zoho CRM and Notify Sales Team via Slack. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select it as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here before creating a new workflow, let me tell you all about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm running my lead ads on Facebook, so I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then here I'm going to click on this continue. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. And as soon as you're going to add the credentials, automatically your account is going to get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. And then here's asking me to select the page name and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select that particular page over here. And then here's asking me to select the lead gen form. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've already created with different names. So in this case, I'm going to select my form as lead ads form. You can create your own lead ad form as per your requirement. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my form. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Alright, so now here after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in a simple format. But here if you want to receive the response in an advanced format, that is an array format, then you can simply turn it off and you're going to receive the response in advanced format. For now I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad once again. So now here to again generate a test lead, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. And it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so once again we are going to select our page, that is Digital Dynamics, and our product as lead retrieval because I'm going to generate a test lead, and my form as lead ads form. Then we are going to click on this preview form. So this is my lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So I'm going to select a random service, random best time to contact. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to add a random phone number. And here for the company name, I'm going to add the random company name as ABC Company. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have instantly received a response where we have received the service and trust, best time to contact, first name, last name, email address, phone number, company name, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly I want to add that lead in my Zoho CRM account as a new contact. So for that, I'm going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM. And my app event task, create a contact. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Zoho CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho CRM. And here to connect the application, it is asking me to enter the domain of my Zoho account. So now here to get the domain, let me take you back to my Zoho account. And here in the path URL, you can see my domain is zoho.com. So I'm going to copy the first domain, then I'm going to paste it over here, and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see it is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the lead source. So I'm going to select the source as advertisement from this drop down menu. You can select it as per your requirement. And then it is asking me to add the first name, last name, email address, and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. Alright, so here for the first name, I'm going to map my lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the lead's last name. Here I'm going to map the email address. Here this title and department is not required field, so I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. Here again for the mobile number, I'm going to map the same mobile number. And here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Zoho CRM account for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ads. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name test user. Here you can see the email address and the mobile number. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after creating a new contact in our Zoho CRM account, I want to alert my team about the new lead received on our Slack channel. So for that, I'm going to add another action step over here. And here I'm going to select my action application as Slack and my app event as send channel message. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Slack account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Slack. And here to connect the application, it is asking me to add the token type. So it says enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get it. So here by clicking on this learn more hyperlink, you will be directed to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to get your user token. For now, I'm going to add my token type as user, and then we're going to click on the save. And here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. And then it is asking me to select the channel ID. So I've already shown you that I have my channel with the name sales team. So I'm going to select that particular channel over here. And then here is asking me to add the message. So here I need to enter the message that I want to send as an alert message on new lead received through our Facebook lead ad on my Slack channel. So let me add the message here. And here you can see I've successfully added a message over here where I've added some details such as name, email, and the phone number. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, again here I'm going to map the data. So here for the name, I'm going to map my lead's name. Here I'm going to map the email address. And last here I'm going to map the lead's phone number. Alright, so these are the details. Let's move forward. Here these fields are not required fields. So I'm going to leave all of them blank. And then it is asking auto expand link. So for that I'm going to select true. Link usernames and channel names, true. Here for the reply broadcast, I'm going to select false. And here this thread message ID is not a required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here. That means we have successfully sent an automated alert message on our Slack channel. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message where we have received the text as new lead assigned. Here you can see the name, email address and the phone number of the lead. And then it says please follow promptly and update the lead status in Zoho CRM. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected a trigger as Facebook lead ads and an action as Zoho CRM and Slack. So that when you're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly I want to add that lead in my Zoho CRM account. And after adding the lead in my Zoho CRM account, I want to send an alert message to my sales team on my Slack channel with all the lead details. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automate lead assignment in Zoho CRM and notify sales team via Slack. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. And I would be really happy if you let us know that what automation you would like to see the next. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.